Krishna tells in Gita, chapter 7, verse 25, Naham prakashya sarvasya lokomaya samanvrita. He says that everyone in this loka is avritam. Avritam. Avritam means everyone in this world is covered by my maya, my Daivi Shakti, Gunamayi. Daivi Shakti Gunamayi, Mama Maya Duratya. Krishna tells in Gita, Mama Maya Duratya. Mama Maya, Mama Mia. Mama Maya Duratya. Mama Mia means my mother. And my mother's smothering me with her kisses. So, Mama Maya Duratya means my Maya, my Mahamaya is Durataya. Durataya. Very difficult to leave, very difficult to end this world. But Mame Vaye Prapadyante Mayam Etam Tarantite. Mame Vaye Prapadyante Mayam Etam Tarantite. If you surrender unto me, become my bhakta, and serve me and remember me and think about me. Serving Krishna means to think of him, to remember him. Oh Krishna, Bhagavan, when will I ever be able to chant your holy name peacefully with japamala running through my surrendered fingers? When will I sit in a peaceful place and have no cares and woes, but thinking and reading about you? So even thinking like that in the midst of our family duties and business concerns, that's pure bhakti. That attracts the heart of Krishna. There's no limitation to approaching Krishna. Approach Krishna with your mind, with your heart,